The International Monetary Fund justifies its bailout to Pakistan. However, the global agency has imposed a fresh set of conditions on the debt-ridden nation in exchange for the billion-dollar aid. The IMF has stated that Pakistan government must seek Parliament nod for the federal budget in line with the IMF agreement by June. The conditions also include implementing agricultural income tax reforms across all provinces. In total, 11 more conditions have been added for Pakistan to follow in order to receive the next payment. This takes the number of conditions under the bailout program to 50. Despite the conditions, the IMF has defended its bailout, saying its board is satisfied with Pakistan. The global body says Pakistan has met all targets set in the funding criteria.
In the case of Pakistan, our board found that Pakistan had indeed met all of the targets. It had made progress on some of the reforms. And for that reason, the board went ahead and approved the program. With respect to the voting or the decision-making at our board, we do not disclose that publicly, or for the board to decide to move forward and complete Pakistan's review.
According to sources, the Indian government had reached out to IMF's executive director Kristalina Georgieva, saying that New Delhi is not against giving money to any country, but the bailout has come during a war-like situation. India has repeatedly warned that Pakistan uses global funding to sponsor terror infrastructure.
भारत यही चाहेगा कि IMF पाकिस्तान को अपनी $1 बिलियन की असिस्टेंस पर वह पुनर्विचार करे। भारत नहीं चाहता जो फंडिंग हम IMF को करते हैं वह डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट किसी भी तरीके से पाकिस्तान या किसी भी देश में टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बनाने में वह इस्तेमाल की।
Sources have told India today that the Indian government will now push the global financial crime watchdog FATF to add Pakistan to its grey list again. Pakistan was taken off the FATF grey list in 2022, boosting its reputation among lenders. Further, India will oppose the upcoming World Bank funding for Pakistan. The World Bank is expected to approve a $20 billion lending package to Pakistan in June.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.